Hello, Chef here. Once again, another recipe for you. This is a continuation of a previous video where I showed you how to clean these chicken thighs. They're looking really good. And now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm using cheap beer, this one right here, or any other brand, the cheap stuff. I don't drink this stuff. No. Life is too short for cheap beer. However, it's good to cook with. So I'll be using this beer today. One of my favorites right here. Oh yeah. I'm going to be putting a little bit of fresh garlic in this recipe. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, we've got some rosemary. Not regular rosemary, this is cut rosemary. It's chopped fine. I like it like that. Of course, I got some fresh ground pepper. We're going to start by seasoning each of these chickens with some fresh ground pepper. I've got some in the bowl, some on the cutting board because they don't all fit in the bowl. Okay, sea salt. This is the good Hawaiian stuff. Oh yeah. Gonna put a little sea salt in there. Okay, it's time for some batteries. Going rather slowly. That's okay. Generous amount of sea salt. Yep, just like that. Okay. Rosemary. Oh, I love rosemary, and it goes so perfectly with chicken. You should try it and test out the recipe here. Chef will never steer you wrong. Okay. All right, here we go. Just like that. Rub it around. Make sure we get all of these pieces coated. Here we go. A little more in here. And we move on to the next step. The next step is to massage the chicken. Okay, just massage it a little bit. So you want to make sure you're distributing all the salt and pepper, rosemary equally. Yeah. Okay. And now this is looking really good. You're wondering about the beer? The beer comes later, of course. You want to brown this chicken first. So I've got a hot convection oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, yeah. We're going to line these up in a pan, and we're going to bake them until they're crispy. Yeah. Once they get nice and crispy, I'm going to continue with the rest of the recipe. Okay, hopefully they're all going to fit in this little pan I got here. Okay, there we go. So that's what the chicken's going to look like after it roasts in the oven for a while. It's looking really good. At this point, I'm going to take my Dutch oven right here. I'm going to put all the chicken in the Dutch oven. Okay, I'm going to be adding a couple of these garlic cloves right here. Wow, some big ones. Looking really good. Okay, for the garlic, I like to smash it down with my knife like this. Surprise you, you're not going to find too many videos with me using the bacon. Bacon or pancetta. Just a couple of pieces is all I need. Just want the flavor. Flavor's going to come out. It's going to be really, really good. It's going right in there. A little bit more fresh pepper. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm going to put some of the juice back. Of course, there's a lot of fat in here, so not too much. Just a little of this juice like that. And I'm going to put this bottle of really, really good beer. Yeah, right in there like that. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, every drop. Get it all in there. Okay. Yeah. One more secret ingredient. Chef likes to use this special brand of liquid smoke here. Adds a lot of flavor and a nice smoky taste. Since it's winter time and I'm not smoking outside on the grill, maybe 20 drops of this liquid smoke. Oh yeah, it's gotta be good. Okay, that's pretty much ready to be braised, just like this. And now this is cooking for a second time. I'm gonna let this braise and simmer until the chicken's tender. I'll be back. Okay. The chicken has been braising now for about an hour. This is what we got. It's looking really, really good. Let it cool a little bit. I'm going to just select one of these thighs. We got the bacon in there, so we'll put a little bacon in my dish here too. Okay. I'm going to take one thigh and remove the skin from there. Oh, yeah. Look at that. How's that look to you? Really, really tender. It's falling right off the bone. Exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm going to remove this to the side. Work with just this piece right here. So very quickly in French cuisine, you want to remove the meat and work with it minimal. You don't want to process it too much, okay? Just want to get all the good stuff off of here. Similar to a duck confit. And we're just going to shred this chicken up a little bit like this. Notice I'm using a pair of tongs. This is like my third arm right here, or fourth arm. Okay, so just want to remove all the good stuff. It's going to be in my presentation, my final dish. Yeah, tough stuff in your chicken dish that will ruin the whole effect of what you're trying to do there. So now I've decided to go French style here, so I've got a few surprises for you. Move this off to the side. Got a nice white plate here. Alright. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here, show you what I'm up to. Before I actually prepare my chicken entree here, I like to get my garnish ready. So in this case, I'm going to do just a couple different things. Well, you know, we can keep this here and work like this right on top. Very simple what I'm going to do here for the garnish. So I've got some pineapple. I'm going to just do a little julienne of pineapple here for my garnish. Oh yeah, that should be more than enough right there. A little julienne pineapple. Okay, nice. And I've got some Honeycrisp apple here that I was enjoying. I thought I would incorporate that into the garnish as well. So for that, I'm going to just do a slice like this. Okay, some of you might know perfect French julienne is used quite often in French cooking, and this is what I'm looking for right here, something like this. Okay, if you were my student and I was judging you, I would probably give you a pretty high point on a julienne like that right there. Okay, there we go, looking good. And now to assemble this, I've got a timbali of rice pilaf. This is the succulent rice pilaf that you can find on this channel. The recipe of how to make this, okay? Yeah. And I'm going to put my chicken right around the rice pilaf here, just like this. Oh yeah. I'm going to put it in Gonna put it in 3 installments right here like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Looking good. Okay. Oh yeah. It's gonna be quite tasty. As well as we need a couple of a little bit of the juice, the natural juice. By the way, this is a reduction now. I've cooked it down, so this reduction is the beer and the chicken stock, natural flavors. I want to keep this nice and moist. I'm going to put a little bit on top of the rice as well. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Okay, the next thing I've got, if you follow the channel, then you'll know that the chefs have shared some of our other recipes with you. And what do I have here? Oh yeah, this is basil pesto. It's going to be my garnish right there on the top. A little bit of pesto. I'm going to put my fruits right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. And some of these julienne apples. Now the apple is what's going to give this dish a little height. Make it look really cool. And I'm looking for that height. Okay. In competition, we always try to achieve some height. So that's the finished dish right there. We have a twice cooked chicken thigh that has been braised. It's been actually roasted, braised, with a little bit of that smoke feature too. Oh yeah. A touch of basil garnish here will be nice. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Wow! That's going to be good. Please comment below. Yeah, Chef back here once again. I call this Chef Light because it's lightweight. It's reversible, juice groove, flat side. Hang it up with the hole if you like. It's the good stuff. Hard rock maple. This one is 2 1/4 thick, 24 by 18. Ideal size. This works for every type of countertop I've seen in America. So, I mean, it's really nice. Very stable, very heavy duty. This one has been cut on millions of cuts. Millions. And it looks great. You basically wipe it off and you re-oil it every couple of months. I do sand it down. We sand all of our cutting boards every year or every 2 years maybe. But anyway, for all the good stuff that the chef's using in the video, pepper mills, knives from Japan, cutting boards from USA, all the best stuff. Check out your sponsor right there. Couple of links. Don't forget to click that little button down in the corner there. Right down there. Follow my finger. Oh yeah, right there. Subscribe. Very important. If you subscribe, you're going to keep up on the next video and the next recipes. There's a lot more stuff to come. Maple end grain.